Total squirrel. Come on, Chef. It's been 5 minutes. Come on. Take 2. I'm just looking for the apple cider vinegar because the apple cider vinegar is in this soup, which is really unusual. I think that's it, right? With the mother on the bottom. Look at that. Isn't it amazing how things ferment and do its thing? I find it extraordinary, actually. Anyway. Okay, rambling on. Right, this is a really simple soup. Really, really, really simple. With the asparagus, don't forget, you're going to take those ends off that are fibrous. That's the first thing you're going to do. Super important. I mean, look at the size of that. What is going on there? I mean, it's amazing. So take those off. Very fibrous, those ends are. Okay, back into the earth where it belongs. And then we've got some gorgeous fennel. Now, what size fennel would that be? Because it says half a large fennel, right? To me, that's the perfect size. Which, if we weigh it just quickly so we all know what we're talking about here, is 120 grams. How's that? So that's good to know, right? Yeah. So that's how much fennel we want. We've got a big handful of spinach. I mean, look at it. And I've taken the stalks off, or some of them. Hey, Cynthia, you've got this one. Because I find it just really bitter, to be honest. I mean, it's up to you, but that's my thing. Onion just chopped roughly. I mean, that's called a rough chop. Have a look at this. And 1 garlic clove, which I'm just gonna run my knife through just quickly. Let's just get this spinach on the counter here so I can show you what's going on. And you can take a really good look at how this is going to go down. All right. Just going to run my knife through the asparagus. Perfect. And my roughly chopped garlic. And then I've got 1 roughly chopped, did I just say that twice? Garlic? This is what happens, right? You're constantly doing the same thing. It's hilarious. And this amazing fennel, which I'm going to cut in half. Have a look at this. Check this out. Just the scent of that when I opened was incredible. It has so much flavour. And I'm just going to run my knife through it like this. How easy is that? I've got my water, my apple cider vinegar, my pot, on low heat, heating up, doing its thing. I want some avocado oil, about a teaspoon, just a little bit. And then I want to add all of this glory to this. And I want to hear that. Very important. Smoking goodness. None of this is browning or burning, by the way. Have a look, have a close look. I want to cook this for about 5 minutes, okay? Managing your heat and seasoning it and just stirring it and staying with it. So salt. And pepper. This is such an easy soup. Oh, yum. Oh, yum. Can you smell that?
Yeah.
Can you smell that? It's like smell-o-vision, yeah?
Smell-o-vision.
Okay, perfect. Have a look at this. Come in close and have a look. Okay, it's been a good 5 minutes. We're going to add the spinach now. I'm not even going to cut this. I'm going to scrunch it up into the pot. And now, my water. just enough to cover the spinach. And I think that's just enough. Give it a good stir, get the lid on, put it up, bless it, and let it cook for like 5 minutes. Oh, exactly 5 minutes, there we go. Turning it off. The house smells amazing. You're amazing, you're amazing. I'm gonna let it rest for a good 5 minutes. 5 minutes seems to be the theme of the day here. And I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna add this to it. I know, right, it's weird, but it makes it just come home. Okay, rested beautifully. Okay. Straight into here. Okay, get it all in there. Get all those bits out of the pot. Okay, God, that smells so good. And we need apple cider vinegar. This is the 1 tablespoon measurement eye skill coming right up here. Streaming in live into your kitchen from mine. Ready? I think that's 1 tablespoon. Okay. All right, Cynthia, let's blend this. I can't wait to have this. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Blend. Okay, taste. It's so hot. Oh, the fennel, it's just so fresh and beautiful. Oh, yum. I love it. Oh my God, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's that kind of, it's almost like the fennel's like lemony, like licoricey. And then the apple cider vinegar is like got that little bit of acid and kind of zing to it, and it just all comes together. Oh my God, it's so good. Okay, let's dish it up. Let's just not, oh my God, just drink that. Why am I so attracted to this soup? Why am I so attracted? It's so fascinating because sometimes with all the creamy soups and the, you know, the pumpkin-y, potato-y things and the beans, they're great. But then when I have something like this, it's like, I just want to have this twice in a week, and I will. Watch me. It's like we're cleansing. We're cleansing. We're cleansing together because together we're better. All right, that was loud. Okay, are you ready? Look, here's some rocket I prepared earlier. I know, right? Genius. I just want to sit. Let them just sit like that's it. That's look at that. That's amazing. Like that to me is just like the ultimate photo. Where's my camera? Can I have my camera, please? I just want to take some photos because I'm so into this and I'm so excited. And I hope the chef talks to me when I post them on Facebook. I'm serious. This is so cool. This is such a cool photo when you're looking at it like this. Okay, I'm out. I'm going. I'm going to get a whole bunch of this, take those woody ends off, rip it in half. I'm going to place it in the center like this. And that to me is nourishment in its finest form. I will see you in the next video. I'm so excited to eat this.